Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to change your PCP acronym of Primary Care Provider on Health Plan of Nevada. I got a letter from them and it says, to help you be ready for when you need care, mission has been assigned to you for your primary care needs. You can change your primary care provider at any time. Let's get to it. First of all, you have to type healthplanofnevada.com/member and it'll lead you to its website. As you see on here, sign in, upper right hand corner. Click it and sign in. If you haven't created an account yet, then just click the create an account, and you need a tour to click the take a tour, but I already have my account, so I'm gonna click the sign in. And there's a sign in button on the left. Click it. So you need to type your Optum ID or email address and password and click the sign in. Once you signed in, on the right side there's member information and you can find your PCP on here. So I want to change it, so on your left under my plan there's a option for change your PCP. Click it and click the list of available providers here. We are doing this in order to get the provider ID. So click here first to get the provider ID. So there are 4 options. I'm an individual, so individuals. And I live in Southern Nevada, so I'm gonna click here. There are 2 ways to find your new PCP. If you know the name, just type in here and search it. Or you can find one by category. Medical directory, click, and by people, place, treatment, and condition. I know who I want, so I found one and click it. So make sure it's in network, so you don't have to pay extra. And here's her provider ID number. So step 2, choose your new primary care provider from the list and enter their 8-digit ID. So enter provider ID number in here, which you found already by step 1. That's her. Step 4, enter the effective date you'd like to make this change. So enter effective date. select submit. So thank you for submitting your PCP change blah 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 within 3 to 5 business days. So this is it. I hope this video helped you. Bye.